Bullish Dogecoin cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 36 cents and 69 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Doge could reach 28 cents by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2023 is 6 cents. Dogecoin presentation. Programming engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer thought of the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge, as a joke in light of the then wild digital money hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. Regardless of being snide, certain individuals view it as a reasonable monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin's seal and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its web-based local area. By May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It currently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the Chief Association. Kindly note that the forecasts recorded underneath are planned to give general data and ought not be viewed as speculation counsel. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin ventures. All in all, how about we jump into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin? Shared, open-source cryptographic money. Dogecoin works over the web. It is viewed as an elective money and an amusing image coin. A delineation of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. Despite the fact that it was at first considered as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in prevalence. At the point when the cryptographic money bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. When a center of allies actually exchanged Dogecoin and used it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost a lot of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On web-based trades for computerized monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. What's more, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Dogecoin key investigation. It's memorable's basic that not at all like in that frame of mind of the securities exchange. Most digital currencies are projects as opposed to organizations. For Dogecoin, there are various offers. The way that it isn't covered makes the offer increment. There is presently no rush toward and claimed hard cap. This balances out the organization's possibilities for what's in store. In spite of the fact that its commencement was set apart by craftsmen and content makers tipping each other, it has developed into a completely practical cash that can be utilized for regular uses. To keep up with the usefulness of the biological system, more Dogecoin can undoubtedly be gained. Dogecoin use is anticipated to extend by over 5% yearly, which will build the cash's worth. Dogecoin current cost. Doge has moved 1.27% as of now with an exchanging volume of $531,017,160. Dogecoin is presently positioned 9 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $12,219,989,649 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Dogecoin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Dogecoin market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Dogecoin value expectation 2023. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Doge cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 12 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 11 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of 9 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Dogecoin Doge cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform 20 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Doge's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 16 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 18 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 28 cents and Doge might benefit. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2026. Assuming that Dogecoin effectively supports market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2026. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 36 cents, with a base cost of 32 cents and a typical cost of 34 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 42 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 41 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Doge has a greatest value worth of 45 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 50 cents. On the off chance that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 53 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Doge needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 49 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2029. While Doge is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 57 cents and a yearly cost close above 61 cents in 2029. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2030. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Doge cost in 2031 is projected to be 80 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 77 cents. And, as one of the first elective monetary forms, Dogecoin was created as a speedy and quick installment framework in light of the Litecoin blockchain engineering. The venture's objective was to fabricate areas of strength for a base for an engaging and easy-to-use Litecoin elective. Thus, the Dogecoin people group immediately shaped to advance and address Dogecoin, which was at first promoted as an image coin. Doge, a notable and popular image, is portrayed in the Shiba Inu K9 variety's prestigious logo for Dogecoin.